Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my own personal experience using EngageWare. In this EngageWare booking platform review, we'll delve into my usage experience and provide a comprehensive overview of its features and functionality. EngageWare is a sophisticated booking and scheduling platform designed to elevate customer engagement and streamline the often complex process of appointment management. For your convenience, links to EngageWare and details on its key features are included in the description below, allowing you to explore the platform further. EngageWare is a robust and versatile platform primarily aimed at organizations that prioritize efficient and effective customer interaction. This includes a wide range of businesses, from financial institutions and healthcare providers to various service-based companies. The platform's core strength resides in its intelligent appointment scheduling system, which facilitates a seamless booking experience for both customers and staff through automation. By automating this critical process, EngageWare significantly reduces no-shows, optimizes resource allocation, and ultimately improves overall operational efficiency. A standout feature of EngageWare is its seamless integration capabilities with existing systems, such as customer relationship management, CRM, platforms, and various calendar applications. This integration ensures a unified and streamlined workflow, synchronizing customer data and scheduling information in real time. Furthermore, the platform offers robust self-service booking options, empowering customers to schedule appointments at their own convenience and eliminating the need for manual intervention by staff. This self-service approach not only enhances customer satisfaction but also frees up valuable internal resources. EngageWare proves particularly beneficial for businesses requiring tailored scheduling solutions. The platform allows administrators to define custom rules and establish specific workflows, such as assigning the most appropriate personnel based on appointment type, location, or staff availability. Moreover, EngageWare supports virtual appointments by integrating with popular video conferencing tools, a crucial feature in today's increasingly digital-first business environment. Another noteworthy aspect of EngageWare is its comprehensive reporting and analytics tools. These tools provide valuable, actionable insights into appointment trends, customer behavior, and resource utilization. Armed with this data, businesses can refine their operations, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately enhance service delivery. Security and compliance are also paramount for EngageWare, making it a trusted choice for industries handling sensitive data. In conclusion, EngageWare presents a powerful solution for businesses looking to optimize their appointment scheduling processes and elevate customer experiences. Whether you operate in the banking, healthcare, or retail sectors, EngageWare's versatile features can be tailored to meet your specific needs. Be sure to explore the links in the description for more in-depth information and to determine if EngageWare is the right platform for your business.